Hello everyone. This is after a long time. Let's begin. Complaint mechanism is from where I will start. There are many grounds on which commission typically declines admitting the complaint. Firstly, it does not entertain or admit cases or complaints that do not relate to minority status or rights. Now, complaint mechanism means how complaints are registered or how or why. So let's see the grounds on which commission declines registering the complaint. First one is any case or any complaint that does not relate to minority status, minority community is not registered. Secondly, complaint should not be pending before another court or commission, that is matters that are sub judice. So if any case is pending or is already running in a court, so same case cannot run in its parallel court. For example, if I have registered a case or I had a case running in Allahabad High Court, the same case I cannot run in Mumbai High Court or any other High Court. That is parallelism. पैरेललिज्म एग्जिस्ट्स. एक ही केस को एक जैसे डिफरेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट के कोर्ट में हम नहीं डाल सकते. ठीक है. सो कंप्लेंट शुड नॉट बी पेंडिंग बिफोर अनदर कोर्ट. Thirdly, whether the complainant has not availed of other ordinary judicial, quasi-judicial, administrative institutions that are available for redressal, Commission does not admit such matters unless the complainant has reasonable justification. Now, if the complainant has not opted for another institutions, like some you may have done about those mediations, right? मीडिएटर, काउंसलर, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो इफ़ यू हैव नॉट ऑप्टेड फॉर, ऐसा आपके पास ऑप्शन था कि आप मीडिएटर के पास जा सकें लेकिन आप वहाँ गए नहीं, या एक कंज्यूमर फोरम था, कंज्यूमर रिलेटेड कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुई, आपने बिल नहीं लिया और उस पर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गई, या अडल्ट्रेटेड आइटम आपको बेचा गया, हेल्थ डिटोरिएट हुई, आपने कंप्लेंट फाइल करी, तो ऐसे केसेस में एक क्वासी जुडिशियल बॉडी बनाई गई है, कंज्यूमर फोरम. अगर आप वहाँ नहीं जाते हैं तो यू शुड गिव अ रीजनेबल जस्टिफिकेशन कि आप ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी जहाँ स्पेशल इंस्टीट्यूशन बनाए गए हैं फॉर स्पेशल मैटर्स, यू हैव नॉट अवेल्ड दैट. वाई? एंड देयर शुड बी अ प्रॉपर रीजनेबल जस्टिफिकेशन अबाउट द सेम. Fourthly, the complaint should not relate to events that are more than 1 year old. Now, this is what a reasonable time frame is. I have like there is a murder committed, or after 2 years you get into the frame of mind that no, I need to register the complaint. So that is somewhat, we can say that reasonable time period is over now. ठीक है. तो एक ईयर के गैप में अगर आप आज कुछ घटना हुई है, आप उसके 1 साल से ज़्यादा बाद उसकी कंप्लेंट रजिस्टर करवा रहे हैं, तो रीज़नेबल टाइम पीरियड ख़त्म हो चुका है. So you should be sure of the time period in which you are registering the complaints as well. Fifthly, complaints should not be vague, anonymous, pseudonymous or frivolous. That means complaint should not be vague, means it should not result in a confusing state. हमने ऊपर कोई स्टेटमेंट लिखी, उसके कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी स्टेटमेंट हमने नीचे लिख दी, तो यहाँ पर आपका कंप्लेंट एक कन्फ्यूजन देगा, एक वेगनेस देगा. एनिमस मीन्स जिसका कोई नाम नहीं है. ठीक है. लाइक यू हैव रजिस्टर्ड द कंप्लेंट, यू हैव नॉट रिटन योर कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स, सो हाउ विल, if even if the matter is solved, how will the people contact you? Pseudonymous, you have given your wrong name. Okay. Lastly, commission does not entertain complaints that are not directly addressed to it. So these are various grounds on which the complaint mechanism works, and commission will not take the complaints on these 6 grounds. You need to remember it. These are very easy ones. Like the NHRC, National Commission for Minorities can also take action suo motu based on newspaper reports or other findings. Since we were talking about National Commission for Minorities, so if the first ever reason was, if the complaint does not relate to minority status or rights, things will not be taken up. So National Commission for Minorities also, if it finds that there are some things that is not, or that does not goes well with the living conditions of the minority community of any area, since it is national, it can, on the basis of newspaper reports or magazine or any such report which is published, it can go through it and suo moto, means on its own it can register the complaint, चाहे कोई और सामने आए या ना आए, जो विक्टिम है या विक्टिम के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स हैं, चाहे वो कंप्लेंट रजिस्टर करवाएं या ना करवाएं, इफ़ नेशनल कमीशन फॉर माइनॉरिटीज़ फील्स इट्स नेसेसरी कि एक्शन लिया जाए, तो वो सुओ मोटो अपने आप कंप्लेंट रजिस्टर करके आगे कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं. Applications of complaints are required to be sent to the commission and addressed directly. Since it is written, if it is not addressed directly, तब भी हम complaint register नहीं करेंगे. So whatever complaint is made, that needs to be addressed directly to whom? To the Secretary, National Commission for Minorities, New Delhi. It does not charge any fee for lodging a complaint. You can lodge a complaint free of cost. Website is given here. National Commission for Women is the next. Introduction. In 1992, NCW, that is National Commission for Women, was established under NCW Act 1990. The commission consists of a chairperson and 5 members nominated by central government from amongst persons of ability, integrity and standing who have had experience in any one of these areas: law or legislation, trade unionism, management of an industry, potential of women, women's voluntary organizations, administration, economic development, health, education or social welfare. At least one member each belongs to SC and ST communities. Member secretary takes care of the administrative matters. Now, qualification and the constitution of the commission is very important, of each and every commission. So NCW, if I talk about, one chairperson and 5 members, and all of them are nominated by the central government, and obviously people have to be qualified enough to sit in a commission, to work in a commission. So what is the qualification? Ability, integrity and have had experience in any one of areas like law, since it's related to the women's proper conditions. So law, trade, okay, management of an industry which is related to women, कमीशन है विमेन का, तो समथिंग रिलेटेड टू विमेन, विमेन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, हेल्थ, एजुकेशन, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव मैटर्स. Next is functions and powers. Commission has been charged with following functions: to investigate and examine matters relating to safeguards provided for women under the Constitution and other laws. See, National Commission for Women, it will obviously work for the welfare of women specifically. So functions and powers, first thing would be to examine the matters, to investigate, to examine, and for that it needs to have a proper knowledge of the law that exists at that particular time period. So the people there must have, the people in the commission must have their knowledge in law, in the field of law. That's why it was written over here in the qualification section. To present annual and other reports to central government about working of the safeguards. See, these commissions are under the government, so whatever they are working for 1 year, in a period of 1 year, for that they have to submit reports to the government, by whom they are hired, to make recommendations to central and states for effective implementation of safeguards for improving the conditions of women. Now commissions or committees, they are basically made to give recommendations to the government so that the living conditions can be improved. So same here, to give recommendations so that those, whatever recommendations the government feels like, they can implement it, and the conditions, the living conditions, the working conditions, the medical conditions or whatsoever can be improved. To review provisions of constitution and other laws affecting women and make recommendations about remedial legislative measures required to address inadequacies or shortcomings in the laws. Now any law is passed, you are examining it, you are reviewing it, so that how it applies on women can be seen, and if it's any loophole और कहीं पर थोड़ा सा भी कुछ शॉर्ट कमिंग है या कहीं कुछ थोड़ा सा इनएडिक्वेसी है जहाँ पर वो फिट नहीं बैठ रहा है, तो यू कैन रिकमेंड इट एंड देन गवर्नमेंट इफ इट फील्स लाइक कैन इम्प्लीमेंट इट. सी रिकमेंडेशंस आर मेड, सो ये रिकमेंडेशंस फोर्स्ड नहीं होते गवर्नमेंट पे कि अब हमने बोल दिया तो आपको ये करना ही करना है. आई एम सेइंग इट इफ़ द गवर्नमेंट फील्स लाइक उन रिकमेंडेशंस को वो इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकती है. अगर नहीं उनको लगता तो वो नहीं करेगी. कमीशन गवर्नमेंट को हायर नहीं कर रहा है, गवर्नमेंट कमीशन को हायर कर रही है. इसीलिए अगर गवर्नमेंट चाहे तो वो उन सजेशंस को माने, ना चाहे तो ना माने. To take up cases with appropriate authorities about violation of human rights as provided in constitutions, and human rights obviously specifically related to women. नेशनल कमीशन फॉर विमेन है तो वो केसेस ले सकता है, रजिस्टर कर सकता है अबाउट वायलेशन ऑफ एनी विमेन राइट, और उन केसेस को एग्ज़ामिन करके जो हम फर्स्ट पॉइंट पर आ जाते हैं, टू इन्वेस्टिगेट एंड एग्जामिन दोज केसेस दैट रिलेट्स टू द लॉज एट टाइम. टू लुक इन टू कंप्लेंट्स एंड टेक सुओ मोटो. अगेन सुओ मोटो हर एक कमीशन ले सकता है if there is a complaint or if there is a as report in newspapers or something like that, तो suo moto complaints register की जा सकती हैं. if women are subjected to some sort of uh, you know कुछ इनजस्टिस हो रहा है या उनको किसी प्रॉपर मेडिकल फैसिलिटी से डिप्राइव किया जा रहा है, इक्वल पे नहीं दिया जा रहा, या वर्किंग इन्वामेंट उनका सही नहीं है और उसके बेसिस पर कोई रिपोर्ट पब्लिश की गई कि इस एरिया में विमेन का वर्किंग इन्वामेंट सही नहीं है, वहाँ पर दे आर सब्जेक्टेड टू सम हैरासमेंट. सो ऐसी केसेस अगर रिपोर्ट आई है तो सुओ मोटो लिया जा सकता है इफ़ द कमीशन फील्स ओके. To initiate special studies into specific problems arising out of discrimination and atrocities against women and identify the constraints and recommend strategies. So, to initiate investigations into specific problems or reports which are made out that are because of discrimination or some injustice against women, they can identify those matters, they can take suo moto, and they can investigate further, and then if it feels like make recommendations to the government, and then again if government feels like it can implement those recommendations made by the NCW. To undertake promotional educational research and suggest ways for ensuring due representation of women in all spheres and identify factors responsible for impeding women's advancement. See, it is working in the welfare of women, so it can give recommendations that how representation of women can be ensured in all spheres of different arenas, and how you can first suggest कि क्या चीज़ें हैं जिससे women की conditions poor हैं, और उन चीज़ों को अगर आप रिवर्स कर देंगे तो women की advancement हो जाएगी, उनकी conditions improve हो जाएंगी. तो लैक ऑफ हाउसिंग, बेसिक सर्विसेज यू गिव इट टू देम. ठीक है. इनएडिकेट सपोर्ट सर्विसेज लाइक सिलेंडर का जो हुआ था, सिलेंडर आर प्रोवाइडेड टू वुमेन सो दैट दे डोंट get into those asthma problems in villages, right? So that is for women advancement. To participate and advise on planning process of socio-economic development of women